Welcome to Language Exchange. It's Del. Today we're about to see the superlative in Italian. In Italian, the superlative is called superlativo. We use this to announce the meaning of an adjective. There are two ways to make a superlative in Italian. There is the superlativo relativo and the superlativo assoluto. Today we'll only talk about the superlativo assoluto. Basically, there are two ways to make it. The first one is to add the word molto, which means very, before an adjective. Molto grande, very big. Molto bello, very beautiful. The second way to make it is to add the ending issimo, issima, issime, issimi to the adjective's root. Let's see why we have four of them. We use issimo when we have a singular masculine noun. Giovanni è bellissimo. Giovanni is beautiful. We use issima when we have a singular feminine noun. Quella macchina è grandissima. That car is so big. We use issimi for plural masculine nouns or that include both the genders. Ci sono tantissimi bambini. There are so many kids. And finally, we use issime for plural feminine nouns. Queste fragole sono buonissime. These strawberries are so good. So that's it for today. Hope you liked it. If you did, drop a like and let us know down in the comments, and see you next time.